Hi, Just Sayers. Welcome to episode 4 of Beyond Letters. If you have no idea what this is, check out the hashtag Beyond Letters in this group to find all the previous handouts. We've had 3 so far. This is the 4th, so we're almost at the end of our first month. Please let me know in the comments what you think of the series so far. Is there anything you would like me to change? Have you been using these handouts in the classroom already? What worked? What didn't work? I'm really interested in finding out what to change or what to improve, and whether what I'm doing is valuable for you, productive for you or not. In batch number 1, where I asked you for mispronounced words by your students, I also got a comment saying either or, neither nor, neither nor. I figured, this is quite problematic because it could be pronounced in both ways. It also has a TH, which means that why not put it on a handout? Why not include it in our little Beyond Letters series? So this is it. This handout is a little bit, I would say, less demanding for students because we have fewer words, but they also might cause confusion, hence the whole idea. If you have taught THs already, voiced THs, whether with my cards or with my handouts or with my dialogues or in any other way, this handout could be a nice continuation of what you were doing, right? So you had pronunciation sessions with THs, then you had a normal session on anything else, and just to finish up, just to make sure everyone's on the same page, give them this handout to revise THs and look at the pronunciation of these 2 words. The handout is divided into 2 parts. So we have the introduction, where you can ask the students to read the words to you to check if they're doing it correctly. And then we have part 2, where we have the explanation how these 2 words should be pronounced. This is the first time I'm using phonetic transcription in the series, so you can use it or not. If you want to use it, you could slowly introduce the idea of the phonetic alphabet to your students. For example, by telling them that the 2 dots mean that the sound is going to be long, right? But of course, if you don't want to use it, then don't. The important thing here is to make sure they see the difference and hear the difference between the 2 ways these words could be pronounced. So one of the ways is by saying E, like in eat. So we have either, neither. And the other way is by looking at a pirate. So we know that the pirates would say, aye, captain, right? So that's why we have the captain here, and I. So we have either and neither. So make sure to practice the difference with the students. Either, neither, neither. Tell them to stick to one specific version, and then you can move on to practice specific sentences with these 2 words. So you could write a few words on the board and have students practice. We can go either to the cinema or the restaurant. We can go either to the cinema or the restaurant, and so on. Make sure to focus on those THs, as they are not easy for students to learn. So this was episode 4 of Beyond Letters. It means we've been doing this for a month. Please let me know in the comment what you think, whether I should continue doing these handouts for you, what you would change, what you would include more, and